Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5079473 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy, these commands are provided in the video description, so copy these command one by one, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Windows Update, scroll down at the bottom somewhere you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Again apply, click on start if highlighted, make a right click and then click on restart. Once done, go back to Windows Update, and over here if you see retry option, hit retry and then check. Now still not working, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here, and once the update is paused, now resume the updates and then you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5079473. The link is provided in the video description. Go to Microsoft Update Catalog, write down the name of the update, click on search. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. In my case the version is 25H2, so check your version and then check your system type. Open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and over here check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you, this is the right one for me. Now click on download and then click on KB5079473, click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down, here you can see media creation tool, click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept, and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, restart your computer, and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.